you come in?
Any most no treat a rabba at all. Huh? After 27 good years of marriage, why that be remind you that we do, Mama? Ah, you're a papa also. Mama would tell them of love this man.
The man boy will pass in Puerto Rico. Now, why am there between him and Ano? Him na me here patience.
What did you say, Paa Joe?
Nothing.
What did you say? I have always told you, a man must be bold and say what he thinks.
I was saying, I love you more with each passing year.
Oh, baby, baby, baby. You will kill me with your sweet words.
You will be the death of me without your sweet words.
Let the ants wait. Let the ants wait. About it, don't you waste. And if hunger become more tall, who cares? Cause buffer day, 90 day. It's buffer day, even in rainy day. Cause buffer day, 90 day. It's buffer day, even in rainy days. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala. Yeah, bye, 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 bye. Solutions, ramen kodo.
Oh, Paa Joe, this place is so nice. Very beautiful.
The place looks expensive. Can we afford this?
Oh, come on, sweetheart, come on. It's only poor people who talk like that. Huh? We are not poor.
Hello, you're welcome.
How do you do?
How do you do? How may I help you, please?
Oh, we would like to see the owner of this company.
Oh, and may I know why you'd like to see the owner?
No, you may not. Just tell him Margaret Simpson is here to see him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we came by the high recommendation of a good friend.
Oh, okay. Please, have a seat. I'll be with you shortly.
Oh, thank you.
Solutions,
Oh, here you are, sweetheart. Paa Joe, why were you going on and on and on like that? Anyway, I love this place. It's so beautiful. It's very welcoming. Don't you feel welcomed?
Margaret.
Yes, darling.
Look, I think we walked straight into a trap. These guys will be expensive.
How will you stop it? What is that?
Mr. Ganah will be with you shortly.
All right.
Here's some hot chocolate for you.
Oh.
Is it free?
He was just joking.
Yes, please, it's free. It's our way of saying that you're very welcome. And we appreciate the fact that you're bringing business to us. So please, feel at home. Let's take very good care of you.
Oh, this is lovely. This is lovely. It's exactly the way it was described to me.
Really? Mm-hmm. Permission to ask by who?
Oh, I've heard lots of beautiful things about this company. Yes, my very good friend, Adubia, told me all about that. And I regard her recommendations highly.
Oh, we thank God. Mr. Ganah, I'll see you in 10 minutes.
All right, thank you.
Very welcome.
Oh, sweetheart, here you are.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy yourself. There's a biscuit here too.
Fade away.
I mean, you will know my own dog. Oh, wait, take a bite.
Oh, Monko.
Oh, are you free in Tiri? Je, that's why you're free, Je. While I come to work.
I'm very glad that you find a place to your liking.
Same here.
So give it to me straight, man to man. Are you people expensive?
It is all right. It is a fair question. Let me answer you this way. Would you rather give 1 Ghana cedi to a shoemaker to check your engine, or 50 Ghana cedis to a mechanic to check your engine for you?
I check my engine myself.
Don't mind him. He has a funny way of looking out for me. Right, gentlemen, can we now get to business?
Yes. Ladies.
All right. Thank you. Bye. Thank you very much.
Hey, Han.
Yeah.
I have this client in the conference room. They seem to have very interesting ideas. Do you want to sit in?
I can only spare 10 minutes max.
Great. I'll take 10 minutes. Let's go. Hi. Well, meet Amma, my wife and lovely partner.
Oh, lovely.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
Margaret Simpson. Paa Joe here is my lovely husband. We have been married for 27 good years and still counting. And very soon we will also become business partners. It's so exciting.
Congratulations. I'm truly happy for you.
Oh, thank you. I have heard lots of wonderful things about this company.
Why don't you go ahead and tell her about your business idea?
It's an after-school program for children, right?
Yeah, and actually, I was thinking, we could niche it for babies.
Babies?
Yes, babies.
It's exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, it is indeed. Yeah, it's a lovely idea.
Come here, have a seat. Come here. Let's talk about it. What is the plan?
Look, you still haven't told us how much this is going to cost us. Look, we can do it on our own, We don't see why we should pay money to anybody to tell us what we already know.
To many, it may seem so. But when you look at it, it actually isn't.
Actually, it is.
So you have a vision for your business, how it will look like in, let's say, 5 to 10 years. What differentiates you from your competitors and what protects your unique valuable propositions, your total addressable markets, your product and service market, your capital optimizations, your supply leads, taxes, licenses, business plan, accounting, labor. So you've done the feasibility studies and decided on where you want to situate the school. However, with all these things being considered, you still need to have a unique idea of where you want to set all these plans that you want to set these ideas on. Now that is when you would need...
What Kofi is trying to say is that people try to figure things out by themselves. But it gets to a point where you need an expert to hold your hands. It's always best to start with an expert so you avoid fundamental mistakes.
Look here. My lovely husband here doesn't even know how to turn on a kettle, let alone spell all the words you are mentioning here. You see, we happen to save some money during our course of career, and we want to invest into a good business. Very soon I'll be coming on retirement. I love children, and I want to spend more time with them. And you are the expert. So please help us if you can. And if my car engine needs attention, I would definitely not go to a shoemaker.
It's another client. Please excuse me.
My eldest daughter brought her baby Joe, over the weekend, and she hasn't shed a tear since. She has a knack for this,
No, so let's take a look at this checklist right here. kindly go through it.
Okay.
Answer it the best way as you can, and then we can take it from there.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
And I will be right with you.
Good ideas and better jokes and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala. Yeah, bye, eba, 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 eba. Solutions, eba.
Hey, hon. Can I come in?
Yeah, sure.
We almost missed lunch.
I've got so much work to finish up today. I'm not hungry.
Well, I am. I feel like I've moved mountains today. Guess what? Mr. Mensah's business plan just got off. I'm just getting off the phone from the help station. And guess? He has 3 investors knocking at his door right this moment.
Great.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Why wouldn't it be?
It's just that, you know what? Forget about it. So, I think the couple in the conference room have an interesting idea. And even more interesting, they are passionate about children. Babies, my dear. Well, you see how good they look together? 27 years of great friendship. That's what I want for us, baby. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine. Really. Nothing. I'm good.
I'll see you later.
Sure.
The checklist is quite detailed. It has prompted new thinking about the concept. The baby's idea is a great one. It actually occurred to me when I took some leave to attend to my grandchildren. Then I was wondering how the young mothers who do not have their mothers around them take care of the little ones. I mean, 3 months of maternity leave is nowhere near enough. But we will make it look like 6 months, right?
Yeah, and there are tons of mothers in Accra alone who would love to have a good place to leave their babies when they are going to work, pick them up when they are going back home. You know, after all, there are so many daycare centers all over the place. So we will be exclusively babies under 8 months.
Right. And we will document everything, absolutely everything. Look, their baby's first speech, their baby's first steps, and so on and so forth. They will not miss a thing.
You know what? I am so glad that the checklist has helped clarify the concept to all of you. It is the single most important thing to do once you have an idea. First, write it down. Now refine it till it has become crystal clear. A simple idea that offers a clear solution to a simple problem is better than a fancy one that does everything. Kindly complete these forms. We'll meet again tomorrow. I will introduce you to the technical experts at the help station who will help you with the technical details. We'll begin tomorrow with a market research to ascertain the readiness of the market for a concept as brilliant as yours.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you so very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
They said if I don't bring the rest of my school fees along, I shouldn't come to school tomorrow.
School fees. School fees. When push truck. Ya no yati truck. What have no obo? Obo, they're very strong. The people who push truck, are you better than them? That your father, he knows there is public school, and he still took you to preparatory school for them to be taking school fees from people. Public school, do you see them taking school fees? You and that thief off. Hello, Bro Ganah, can you and that thief teacher off. Go and leave me in peace. Leave me in peace. Nonsense. You go.
Well, now, me no baby ane. Me no baby ane. Better no nya phone do mo here ne. Oyin agbole. Ane ya chi truck. O musumbi ko mepe no fole. Ane ya chi truck. Be papa majole. Ngbe shika yo. Ngbe shika ne papa ke ba yo. O ka fe no ko papa ene mo ko hiyo. Kono no ko tashi kwakwe mpo pe feta.
O fane. Ni you Njogbe. I'm call your name. Njogbe.
Kwen na fio. O ka bole ncho musumbi no folo bi ko mepe no folo. O ka le yu to mo kolo. O ka le yu to mo kolo ngbe shika yo. Shika ne papa ke habwe. No shika fe no ko ha shele ni leke ya Togo. Ne ni bi ne be ba le nche di twene ni be mi ne le. Mi ni jino ne le. Na onya nwe no lo shika hale no ne ke tele nche ke ba ko no so lo ko no ke fita no ke hale o to ache mesi fonyo ne ba fe o kan abo kwe bele ncho yo jogba ole ko ta no chuni o to fe business ye na me ni me ne te school na me ye ni le ye no chumoye ko na chombo onu no nka bo wi o nonsense what the kwa ba ma fi
Ajele grandma. The grand king ya womine. Oh, you have to make him look like I'm stupid. Am I stupid? Do I look stupid? Oh.
Nah. Hey, so it is Tulu. Ashite has sent you Dolesi. Hey, Dolesi. Everybody in the market is talking about it.
Such a name. How do they know? Is it their concern? Now, how much is it? Esake watching. Hey, chill. Please. It's for my son's school fees. Please. Hey. Get in church if you need a machine. Fine. Well, a big girl level. But seriously, what is the plan? Oh. I think I do some business on the side. What kind of business? Buying and selling. Ganah, let me go. You'll be apart from buying and selling. No. Okay. Then, I could go to Togo with you. Ni ma chombo ni bia here na. But like she when wig extensions is in vogue. Na Togo no ni ta do na se. No ni ta koto se. No ni ta to yase. What? Ma chombo terrain here fe ne ke. Jamie di asheli. Bonne. What? She boy like me un small neke ni bi. I mean, I'm like big things. Boy like a big girl level. So I'm like big money, big client, and big shop. I have land. Oh, land. If you put all this money into the business, in less than 2 months, you go get them double. You are serious? You are serious? Oh, me no me. Fair. Shukwe me poni ma fi business ne. Show like my money is stuck in their false business. No he warning. Ashele? Maybe we buy a Togo. Oh, cause more mankene. Mankene. Okay, here they can be tomorrow. I'm think manke is okay. Manke no. Now buy. Let's go manke. Shinken money. Be a chicken. I'm a bafu. Mischievous in Ashley. Mischievous in Ashley. But if we are leaving tomorrow, then I think I'll have to do something about it.
Solutions,
I still can't get this couple out of my mind. 27 years. You know what? We'll go for 50. No, actually, 70. No. Till death do us part. And we'll have lots and lots of children.
You won't have lots of children?
Oh yeah, lots of not at the same time, like one at a time.
Why don't we start with one a year at a time? Good night, Kofi.
Hey. You know what is going on? Give me a hand. We always talk about everything. Please don't shut me up.
We're a happy couple, right? So let's just stay a happy couple.
A happy couple with lots of children. I know what we said, but if you change your mind...
Do you want to change your mind?
Well, no, it's just that when I hear the couple talk so much about children, it just makes me want to have one of my own.
Kofi, I thought you said you wanted us to stabilize the company first.
I know.
Okay then. Good night.
Babe, but if we tried...
Good night, Kofi.